Now question number 3 is, first, for any integer a, what is minus 1 multiplied by a equal to? For example, if I take one number in place of this a, for example, if I take 5, right? So what will be the multiplication of minus 1 and 5 here? So it is minus 5, because we know that whenever we multiply one negative and one positive integer, then we always get negative as answer. The same way, here we get the answer negative, but we know that a multiplied by 1 is equal to a. So that we can say that minus 1 multiplied by a is equal to minus a. Question number 3, second. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. So first of all, here you have to do multiplication. Product means you have to do multiplication. Here you have to do multiplication with minus 1. Whatever the number is given to you, you have to do multiplication with minus 1. And then after find out the answer. So first of all, first value is minus 22. So we multiply this minus 22 with this minus 1. And we know that whenever two integers are multiplied, whenever two negative integers are multiplied, we always get positive as answer. So 22 multiplied by 1 is equal to 22, and it is positive. Now B is 37. So again we multiply this number with minus 1. And here it is 37 multiplied by minus 1. And one number is positive, another is negative. So our answer is negative. 37 ones are 37 and answer is negative. C is 0. So here we multiply 0 with minus 1, and we know that whenever we multiply any integers with 0, then we always get 0 as answer, right? So here our answer is 0. Now question number 4 is, starting from minus 1 multiply by 5, write various products showing some pattern to show. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 1. That means you have to start from this multiplication, minus 1 multiplied by 5, and you have to repeat this pattern until to this one. That means you have to start from this pattern and you have to reach up to this pattern. And now observe this both. First of all, here in both these equations minus 1 is common, then multiplication sign is also common, right? But this number is gradually decreased by 1, right? So we will take 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, up to minus 1 in the multiplication. So we will change this number, and according to this change, the multiplication of these numbers will also change, right? And here we look this pattern. First we have started with this minus 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to minus 5, because we know that whenever we have one number negative, another number is positive, then answer is negative. Then after we follow this rule that we will take lower number and it is decreased by 1, right? So minus 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 4, then minus 3, then minus 2, then minus 1. Then after, observe this pattern, minus 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to, yes, 0. Then after we multiply with minus 1. So here minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 1, because both integers are negative. So here we have taken this number in decreasing order, right? It is decreased by 1, right? And we have got this pattern, right? So here you have to find the various product which shows this pattern. So we have completed this pattern here. We have started from this and we have ended in this. So here from this pattern we can conclude that the product of one negative integer and one positive integer is always negative integer. Then the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. We can see that in this equation, right? Because here both integers are negative, so product of two negative integers is always positive integer.